Today I'm going to tell you something that you really don't want to hear. More than 90% of people trying to earn money online today earn absolutely nothing. I mean really nothing. Zilch, zero, nada. They work away, sometimes for hours a day, without ever getting any return. They follow the training inside products they've bought from ClickBank, JVZoo or Warrior Plus, or they pick up push-button softwares that promise them results in under 60 seconds, or they try and work it out all from watching free videos on YouTube or other platforms, but none of it ever works. The only people who ever seem to figure it out are those who can afford to pay for high-ticket courses. In a way, that's understandable. Which super affiliate is ever going to give away all of their secrets for just $10 or $15? Well, today that is all going to change. Thanks to the generosity of one of my students, Muntha Ashmal. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam. Muntha has trained in my Elite Academy and also in John O. Armstrong's Ministry of Freedom program. And he has used all the knowledge he has gained in these two high-ticket courses to create Affiliate Marketing Revealed. For a limited time, you can pick up this high-quality training course that finally shows you, with over-the-shoulder videos and a full case study, how you can make this the year you finally start earning online. There's nothing held back. There's no only giving you half of the picture. With Affiliate Marketing Revealed, you get all of the training, tools and resources that you will ever need to make money online. Because when you pick up Affiliate Marketing Revealed, it's time for the excuses to stop. With the knowledge you get from this course, you will have everything you need to make a 5-figure monthly income online. The only person who can stop you earning it is yourself. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Affiliate Marketing Revealed before the price goes up. Step 2. Sit down and study the in-depth training videos and download all the resources you need. And step 3. Take action as you finally start to achieve all your online dreams. But hurry. At the end of the launch period, the price really will go up. If you come back later, you will pay more. So what happens now? Well, you could carry on as before, picking up shiny object after shiny object and watching your bank balance get smaller and smaller every day. Or you could take the decision to finally change your online fortunes by picking up a copy of Affiliate Marketing Revealed. It's up to you. But myself and Muntha look forward to seeing you. Okay folks, just a very quick demo overview of the members area of Affiliate Marketing Revealed here. Just want to show you how much content there is in here that Muntha has put together. Obviously you've got the welcome area here, and then we get into the overview of Affiliate Marketing Revealed, and then you've got a series of modules. So the first module here is the course introduction and marketing in the digital era. Then we've got the mindset for success. This isn't just about mindset. This is also about building the skills that you need to succeed in online marketing. So the vision behind successful internet marketing, build your skills and take action, and the making of a successful entrepreneur. These are detailed, in-depth videos, folks. Yeah, so there is like hours of training inside this course. Internet marketing as a business, this is in 2 parts, and then we've got another set on identifying your goals once you've gone through this module. Then affiliate marketing tools and resources. These are video resources, so Muntha actually takes you through by, again, over the shoulder about these resources and how to use them. The resources themselves are underneath each video. Then you've got a really in-depth case study here, folks, with a ton of videos. So Muntha is going to walk you through the entire process and show you exactly what's involved in each individual step of this course. Then we've got a section on how to monetize reviews, and then obviously back to me for the conclusion. Your bonuses are here, and any upgrades that you missed are down here. So it's a really in-depth course, folks. It's a bargain at the price point that we're offering this for, to be honest, because you know what Moonvet is really doing is he is giving you all the knowledge that he has obtained both from my own Elite Academy course, which of course you're also welcome to join, and from John O. Armstrong's Ministry of Freedom course. He's put all of his knowledge from these two high-ticket courses into this program, and you're getting the benefit of this knowledge for a really knockdown price. So do jump on and grab yourself a copy, and we'll both see you on the inside.